How to save one-time photo in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before going to how to save one-time photo in WhatsApp, let's talk about can you save one-time photo in WhatsApp? And the answer is no. It's because one-time photos are privacy features or privacy updated features of WhatsApp which will allow the viewer to only see the photo or the media they sent you once, and after being seen the photo or the video will be disappeared. So previously there used to be a feature of screenshotting them. Now it is prohibited. You cannot take screenshot and the feature is down. So you cannot save one time photo in WhatsApp. Instead you can ask the other user or the sender to send it in chat, and only then you will be able to save it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.